Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Can we all agree after I had watched Uthando Nesithembu? No, not Izingane Zesithembu. Guys, I just want to be clear. I stopped watching Isengane Lengane because it triggers me. Like, I literally get triggered and I want to get inside the TV screen and Mursiaqela because really this boy is disrespectful. But when I see Siyaqela, I just feel ukuthi uyafana nje noMpumelelo because uMpumelelo akayi phambili, akayi emuva. Like he's not going to the front, he's not going to the back. He's just standing there and there's no solution. And at this point, I feel like uMpumelelo wants to be Musamseleku light because he wants things that are out of order. Ngapha Siyaqela decided to go and approach one of the girls and say, I want a DNA. The child that you were carrying might be mine. At this point, Siyaqela forgets that he is married. Like he's acting like a single boy, I don't know, that is 2 years old. How do you dare want to invade somebody else's house like that? Ngapha, uMpumelelo wenu doesn't know who's number 1, who's number 3. Agazi ukuthi uyayo or uyabuya. Kapho ufuna impress abas. Guys, can we just make this a show for these two and no one watches it? Like, finish.